Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics for data tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics website. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to enter an account name. Choose a name that represents your business or project. Next, configure the data sharing settings according to your preferences. Click on the Next button to proceed to the property setup. Now, enter a property name that reflects your website or app. Select your reporting time zone and currency. Click on the Next button to continue. On the next screen, you will be asked about your industry category. Choose the category that best matches your business. Indicate the size of your business by selecting the appropriate option. Click Create to finalize the property setup. You will then need to accept the Terms of Service agreement. After accepting, you will be taken to the Property and Data Stream Setup page. Here, select whether you want to track a website or an app. For a website, choose Web and enter your website's URL and stream name. Adjust the settings as necessary and click on Create Stream. You will now see your web stream details. Find the global site tag code provided for tracking. Copy this tracking code and prepare to add it to your website. If you're using a website builder or CMS, locate the section for adding custom scripts. Paste the global site tag code in the appropriate section of your website. Ensure the code is placed in the head section for accurate tracking. After adding the code, save your changes and publish your website. Return to Google Analytics and navigate to the Admin section. Under the Property column, click on Data Settings and then Data Filters. Set up a filter to exclude internal traffic if necessary. Test your configuration by visiting your website to verify data is being tracked. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.